We talk a lot about roofs here at Equity, but think of your siding like the jacket for your home. You've got options, and they all have their place. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on siding replacement so you know exactly what to look for. I know the first question on everyone's mind is usually about the cost. Well, in central PA and the Michiana region, siding replacement typically ranges between $20,000 and $50,000, depending on the size and complexity of your home. For a larger, complex home, between 3,600 and 5,500 square feet, you might see estimates ranging from $45,000 all the way up to $120,000. Vinyl is usually the most cost-effective entry point, while premium options like LP SmartSide come with a higher price tag because of the material strength and the fact that installation takes about 20% longer. Alrighty, so when we talk about siding, vinyl tends to be one of the most common and most popular, primarily because it's a durable, long-lasting material, and it's also on the more budget-friendly side of installation. Our recommended option that we offer to our customers is going to be the Ovation series through Plygem. The Ovation series has a wonderful array of colors as well as several profiles. The most common are going to be a double 4-inch style, a 4.5 double Dutch, or a double 5 wood grain finish. The options also include the Solar Defense reflective technology, and that really makes a difference when it comes to long-term siding to prevent the fading of the natural color. For our customers that are interested in a more premium product that will have a little bit of a higher price tag, but you're going to have a longer lasting, more durable siding than a vinyl or other material option, I would highly recommend LP SmartSide. Now that's going to come in what you see here as the board and batten siding. It's going to be classified by the boards that are going vertically, and then these strips, which are called batten strips, to help fasten it in place and to waterproof the seams. This is going to be one of the more expensive siding options, but it will hold up the best, be the most durable, and look great on your home. Some of LP's other options are going to include their lap siding. So this lap siding is going to be your horizontal boards that are simply overlapping as they go up. It's going to have the slip sheets behind the seams and then straight panels all the way for a timeless finish. This siding, just as durable as the board and batten. This is going to be one of the more expensive options as well. A little less expensive than your board and batten, but hold up fantastic in all weather conditions. Oftentimes, we see cracking and brittleness, especially in vinyl that's 20 or 30 years old. The truth is, in our area, especially with older homes, we often find hidden rot once the old siding comes off. That's because many older homes weren't built with modern weather barriers that we use today. If the wood around your windows is soft to the touch, it usually means water is already getting behind the system and potentially damaging your home structure. A typical project for a medium-sized home takes about 2 weeks from start to finish. Before our crew arrives, we just ask that you clear a little space by moving your cars out of the driveway and maybe moving those porch plants so they stay safe while we work. Replacing your siding isn't just about making the house look pretty for the neighbors, though it is a nice perk. It's about protecting your biggest investment from water damage and keeping your energy bills from creeping up. If you have questions or just want an honest look at your home, reach out. We're here to help. Next stop, a better roof.